Hi, I'm Jeremy with Clear Efficiency. Today we're going to be doing a free no pressure estimate. Come on, I'll show you what we do.
What's the free no pressure estimate all about? Well, it's a visit to your home by one of our efficiency pros who will show you how to use the rebates and tax credits to implement solutions to help you regain control of your home's comfort and energy costs. You actually see where your expensive conditioned air is leaking out of your house. The second thing you get is an inspection with a Flir thermal camera. You will see with your own eyes where all of your heat is escaping, so you can take action to attack the exact areas causing the problem and actually feel the difference within a couple of hours. You'll never worry about another surprise bill again. The third thing you get is an attic inspection to verify the condition of existing insulation and locate convection leakage holes. You will have certainty about how well your house is insulated in the attic because we provide photos and video of your attic without you having to step foot on a ladder. So the next time you see the weather forecast, you won't go anywhere near your thermostat because you know that your family will be comfortable right where it's set and you won't worry about any surprise utility bills.
Bye now.